Hello everyone, this is Adam Meister, the Bitcoin Meister, the Disrupt Meister. Remember to subscribe to this channel, and also remember I post a new video here every day, so keep on checking out this channel every day. Yesterday I was in such a rush that I didn't get all my thank yous in until the middle of the video, so just in case you missed it, thanks for the Bitcoin, thanks for the Ethereum Classic, and thanks for the Dash. I did mention you in the middle of yesterday's video, and between then and now, someone else sent me some Bitcoin, so thank you for the Bitcoin. All of my addresses of all my cryptocurrencies are in the notes section below. And there is a tweet for you guys to retweet listed below. I'm trying to help promote the Zimbabwe Bitcoin conference that's coming up in late November. One of my great commenters, Diego, brought up a story that I had heard about but I really didn't think about much, about the Winklevoss brothers in the news again. They want to have the first Bitcoin ETF on a major stock exchange. And the Security and Exchange Commission, the SEC, has extended the deadline to make a decision regarding the Winklevoss Bitcoin Trust to October 12th, 2016. So that means in about 2 weeks, we can see a spike, or a spike in price for Bitcoin if it's approved by the SEC, or at least we get some mainstream media coverage. So in theory, this could be the Bitcoin event of 2016, and we seem to have a Bitcoin event of 2016 every 2 to 3 months. But that's great. It just shows how Bitcoin is ever evolving, ever changing. New stories coming up all the time. This one hasn't been talked about that much. I think as we get closer to October 12th, 2016, mark it on your calendar, that we will hear more about this. I also, is October 12th, 2016, is this just coming into my head right now, is this, that's Yom Kippur, I think. I think that's the holiday Yom Kippur. So some people might be kind of busy that day. Anyway, I will link to the article about the Winklevoss brothers ETF, and the SEC is taking their time to decide, but hey, could be huge for the price of Bitcoin. And speaking, and thank you, Diego, the commenter. As you know, guys, I do read all of the comments, and I try to comment on as many of them as possible. You can't answer everyone, because some don't need answers exactly. But another, should I do a show on the commenters of Bitcoin, the people who comment on Bitcoin videos and in Bitcoin articles? Because there are some interesting people out there. Some of the same guys who comment on my videos comment on other people's videos and other articles. I mean, you could make a whole video about that ecosystem, because you know there's some trolls, but there are a lot of good promoters out there too, and a lot of people trying to influence that. Who knows, if we get short on video topics, we could do that. But do you guys want a video about yourselves? I mean, like I named Diego, and hey, I'm going to name another guy, Aqua Vitify. I have mentioned his quote before. I still love this quote. I'm going to say it again. Quantitative easing / money printing is just a tax on everything, and crypto is a way to avoid that tax. You gotta love it. Monero is in the low $9 range, and it's been there for a couple days, I think. It's not a full correction yet, I don't think. I'm still sticking with my 0.01 Bitcoin correction number for Monero. It has been under $10 for longer than I can remember recently, and I'm very interested in how this dark market adoption thing is going to work out for Monero. Again, I'm interested in this niche market of cryptocurrency, the anonymous coins. I'm not saying buy up all the anonymous coins out there. I'm just saying it is a very interesting thing, a very interesting gimmick, and it's more than a gimmick. We shall see. I'm Adam Meister, the Bitcoin Meister. I'll talk to you later.